Any dark spots on your face are annoying disruptions on your smooth skin. But you can fade or completely remove some of these dark spots with baking soda and other natural home remedies. Let's review why dark spots are formed and how to use baking soda to get rid of them. Most dark spots are generally caused by UV exposures producing more melanin, weak liver function, vitamin deficiencies, stress and genetics. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate works well to remove dark spots on the skin. It exfoliates dead skin, dirt, debris and excess oil from your skin to make it look fresh and young. It balances the pH of skin and prevents microbes and bacteria which cause blemishes. Baking soda also acts as a mild bleach to fade dark spots. It also stimulates collagen production to rejuvenate the skin to remove scars and dark spots. But you have to be careful in its use. Baking soda quickly dries out the skin in the presence of moisture and may cause irritation on sensitive skin. So do a patch test on your arm before using it on your face. If you don't get any irritation on the arms, then only use it on the face. The simplest yet effective way is to use baking soda paste on your face to remove dark spots. Add half teaspoon of water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a thick paste. Wash your skin with warm water and dab it dry. Apply baking soda paste on the dark spots by gently massaging in circular motion. Leave it for 5 maximum minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Dab it dry and apply natural moisturizer like aloe vera. Do it once daily for a week, then every alternate day. You can also use baking soda with honey, lemon, coffee or sugar to increase its effectiveness. Since baking soda causes dryness, don't keep it on your face for long. Also, don't rub too hard and avoid direct sun exposure while using baking soda. Bottom line is that baking soda fades and removes dark spots. Try it out. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.